Okay, go back to our donut file. Actually, I think you have a lot of decoration for surrounding your building, but for me, I have only the original file, so I use the original file to do the rest of the part. Um, I create a plane as the ground for my scene. The segment is 1 and 1. I give it 0 and 0 to X and Y to make sure the plane is placed at the center of my world. I simply change it into a green color. I will give a material to it later on. And then I go to import merge, select my tree file, open. Select the name of your group, open. This is my tree. I move it to the empty area. And then I click use middle mouse to activate the perspective viewport first, and then I press the keyboard Z to zoom my tree. Okay. Before I do everything, please double check the pivot point of your tree because you've already grouped at the 3D models. Here are 4 3D objects. The first one, second one, third one, and also the tree trunk. Here are totally 4 3D objects, and then we group them together. The original setting in 3D Studio Max, if you do not set up the pivot, the axis should be placed in the center of your group, something like this. So you have to go to hierarchy and press the first button, affect pivot only, and then move the axis. Okay, undo because I want to move it to the bottom of my tree to make sure the pivot point is stick at the bottom of your tree and maybe the center of my tree trunk. And after you update the location of your viewport, your pivot, you can turn this button off. Before I duplicate my tree, I want to go to material to give some color to my tree. Actually, you can use this color plan to change the object color, but if you go to material editor to give it some standard material to edit the color will be much more convenient. And also for our later project, we won't use here to select the color again. We will only use the material editor. So please go to render setup to make sure that you are using the scanline renderer, because I will using scanline renderer to do the day scene, and I will use Arnold to do the night scene later on. So in this lab exercise, please make sure that you select scanline and then go to the material editor, this button. Okay, this is the material editor. Look for a material called Standard Legacy, which is under the category of scanline. I drag it out to the empty space of the working area, and also I need the bitmap. Oh, no need to. I need a plain color for my tree only. So double click the name of the material. Double click diffuse color. Color panel appear. You can select the color. Maybe I create a dark green for my Christmas tree. Okay. Link up your material to your tree. Oh, before I link it up, I want to open the group first so that each part of my tree will appear different level of green. I choose it to the bottom part. I created one more. Double click the name of your material, click diffuse color, use dropper to drop this green, and then I give a lighter green for the middle part. And one more. Double click the name of your material, click diffuse, use dropper to drop this color, give a lighter color for the tree top. If you want to update the color of the previous material, you can simply double click the name of it. Okay, this is my tree, and I select it again and use the middle mouse to activate my perspective viewport. Press the keyboard exactly to zoom in. And I want to do the color for the tree trunk, so I open the material editor again, drag a standard legacy into our empty space, double click the name of the material, click diffuse color to give it a brown color. And then drag the output on our tree trunk. After you finish giving the color to your 3D model, you can go to group, close the group. Again, make sure that your pivot point is at the bottom of your tree. If it didn't, please go to hierarchy. First pivot only to set it first. Okay, what I want to do is to create a forest and create a set of trees that surround my building. So I need a spline to teach my tree how to duplicate to surround my building. Maybe in this form, a line shape. I move my tree to some empty area, and then select the tree. Go to Tools, Align, Spacing Tool, pick Path, and then click the spline you've created. Maybe the number of trees appear are not the same in your screen when compared with mine because I already set up something. The count, or the default number of count, as I remember, maybe it's 3. You can change it in order to control the number of duplication. Maybe I need, for this case, I need 10 trees. Just a tips for you. If you've updated your viewport, such as I pan my viewport or I zoom in or zoom out, the preview will disappear. You can update this number again, and then the computer will do the preview for you again. Other one and other option you need to set up is the type of object. You can choose copy instance or reference based on your design. I've already used another videos to teach you the concept of these 3 options. In this case, I want to choose copy because I want some different variation for each tree. And other option I want you to turn on is follow. If you don't turn on the follow, all the direction of the tree are the same. It's not easy to observe this option by the tree. Anyway, I click follow and I'll show you later on. And I choose apply. Okay, and then close the panel. Okay, I want to show you what is follow, so I create another line. And I use a teapot to show you that. I use a teapot and choose align, spacing tool, pick path, take this path. Maybe I decrease the number of the count a bit. Okay. If you didn't turn on follow, you see all the direction of the teapot are the same. If you turn on follow, your object, while the duplication, it will take a bit in order to follow the direction of your path. Okay. Bye bye. Oh, go back to our scene. I expand the perspective viewport. I want to give some variation to my tree, so I select the first one. Because while the duplication, I'm choosing copy for them, so each tree is individual. They do not affect each other. So I choose the first one. I can increase the height of it, and also I can go to modifier. Give it a new modifier. I give you a bend. I can deform the shape of it. You can also change the direction of your band. Okay, maybe I keep it at 0. Put on this menu, select center to move the center back to the bottom of your tree. After you finish, please turn it off and then click the empty space of your viewport. I choose the second one. I want it taller, and I give a bend too, but with different angle. And then I put on this menu. Open this menu, I choose center and put the center at the bottom of my tree, so that each tree will have some variation with different form. Okay, I don't do the rest of them. You can do it at your lab.